Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the Green Flower Chafer. So it's not Chafer, I just looked up the pronunciation there. So I used the Sense Booster to make things a little bit easier for me because the bug is green and they like hide in the bushes. You'll see in a minute like they walk around the grasses and they're green as well. So this is what the Green Flower Chafer looks like. It's what this is what it looks like. And you'll find it around the deer tower area right here. And yeah, I did have to like delete some of my items because I couldn't catch them all, but yeah, that is where you can find it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!